تبرع النجم البرتغالي كريستيانو رونالدو مهاجم نادي ريال مدريد الإسباني بمبلغ يقارب $2,000,000 لأطفال فلسطين، وهي قيمة جائزة الحذاء الذهبي التي حصل عليها الموسم الماضي. فقامت مؤسسة ريال مدريد ببيعها ومنحها لمساعدة أطفال فلسطين ولبناء المدارس في غزة. يذكر أن رونالدو باع في وقت سابق أحذيته في مزاد علني لمنظمة خيرية، وتبرع بقيمتها للأطفال الفقراء حول العالم.
Görebiliyor musun? Görebiliyor musun? Abi 2 Rona. Abi görebiliyor musun? Şunlara bir girelim ya. Eser abi. Eser abi. Ronaldo. 2 Ronaldo yan yana.
The other one, this is something else. The other one is he's like a commander on the field of play.
One helps one person like to put the cameras behind me. I think the people who know me very well, they know what I do for the many people. And inside of my heart, I feel very, proud for that, because the much that you give to the other persons, the God gonna give you much more. And I feel really inside.
So when they say you're arrogant, for example, what does that make you feel?
The people who call me arrogant, most of them, I like, one day to sit with them and to have a chat with them, to see which way they see that I am arrogant. Because I think they have to sit with me, to speak with me, to know who is real Cristiano.